Have you ever launched a Google Ads campaign and after a few clicks thought, this campaign isn't working? Many beginners make the mistake of judging their campaigns far too early. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and this video will help you understand how much data you actually need before making decisions in Google Ads. So, one of the most common beginner mistakes is making changes too quickly. For example, if a campaign gets only 5 clicks or maybe 10 clicks, and then people already think Google Ads isn't working for me and I will stop the campaign. But in reality, that's not enough data at all. So Google Ads is based on data, and small numbers can be very misleading. Let me give you a simple benchmark. You should wait for around 30 to 50 clicks before judging the campaign performance. Why? Because this number gives you enough data to start seeing patterns like which keywords attract clicks, how people interact with your ads, and whether your targeting is relevant. Before that, it's really just guessing. Why data takes time? Let's imagine your conversion rate is around 5%. So that means out of 100 clicks, you might only get 5 conversions out of that. So if your campaign only has 10 clicks, it's completely normal to have 0 conversions at all, and if you're lucky, maybe have 1 conversion. So that doesn't necessarily mean that the campaign is bad. It simply means that there isn't enough data yet. So let me show you an example. Here it's like a campaign with a very low budget, but you can see we started a campaign on the 20th of October. And then with 0 clicks, here you can see, after 1 day, we get 14 clicks, but no conversions. And here it actually takes about let's say the 20. It takes about 2 weeks until we see the first conversion. So we have to give the campaign some time before judging the data. Let me give you another example. So this is a campaign for a taxi company in Melbourne. It's actually a call campaign. So here you can see we started that on 14th of August, pretty early. And then after just 1 day, here you can see we already got conversions and clicks. But even if the conversions would take longer time, there is already things you can analyze after, let's say, 20 to 30 clicks. So after 20 to 30 clicks, you can already look at the click-through rate, the search terms, the keyword relevance, and the ad engagement, because this would help you to identify obvious problems like irrelevant traffic. So here in this case, we're getting the conversions pretty early, but imagine we would not have a conversion. We could already check if the people are clicking the ad. We could add another metric, for example. So we can remove that, for example, and then scroll down. So we can add the CTR, and that gives you some more data. So we can evaluate how is the click-through rate, how relevant is the ad for our customers. And yeah, there is some more insights we could do. As well, we could check if the people are contacting the business, if they're actually calling our business. And yeah, we can evaluate that data. As well, we can check the search terms, if the search terms are relevant. And to see that, we will just go under Insight and Reports and Search Terms. So here we can see all the search terms our ad appeared for. And if we find something which is not relevant, we can exclude that as a negative keyword, for example. So if you want to have more details on how to use the search term report, I linked the video here. So another important factor to check are the conversions. So when evaluating a campaign, the number of conversions is more important than clicks actually. So I can give you another rule. Try to get at least 10 to 15 conversions before making bigger optimization decisions. Here you can see that at the second day, we're already getting 10 conversions. And on the third day, we are getting 20 conversions. So at that time, we would already have valuable data to make better decisions. So if you already have 10 to 15 conversions, that gives Google actually enough signals to understand what works. So let me give you a quick recap of what I just said. Before judging your Google Ads campaign performance, remember, Don't judge after just a few clicks and a few days. Wait for at least 30 to 50 clicks to see meaningful data, and ideally collect 10 to 15 conversions before making bigger Google Ads decisions. If this video helped you to understand how to evaluate your Google Ads campaigns, feel free to subscribe my channel for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.